Hey Jay, how are you doing? My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I called and spoke with Marissa today. She was awesome on the phone. Really good face of your company. She was sweet, informative, and very helpful. I let her know about this video I wanted to send over to you. What I do is I help local companies in the tri-state by helping them increase their online presence through their website, helping them get more searches and increasing their volume, and in return, increasing your clientele and your ROI. Now, what I've done is shot a video showing you tips and tricks that you can actually do yourself to help you increase your online presence. If that's all you get out of this is the tips and tricks, that's fine with me. Take those and apply them, and I promise you they'll help you increase your presence. If you need help further than that, feel free to reach out because that's what I'm here for. But at the end of the day, this is my way of giving back and helping local businesses. I'd love to hear some feedback from you, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational. Now, as you see, I got your website pulled up here. The Crack Guys, don't be the crack house. It's probably the most amazing company name and company slogan I've ever heard. Don't be the crack house. That is amazing. So looking through here, you got some great pictures. I love how you got on the front of here where it's telling everybody what you do as far as polyrized concrete solutions, rotten wood repair, mold, remedies, foundation repair. I mean, everything. And that's what your homepage is for, is to bring in your people searching for your services and to kind of give an overlay of what you do. Now, if I had to have one suggestion here, it would be to add more content. Google loves content. Google sends bots out 24/7 to crawl these sites to identify what your website is. So coming on here, they're going to see that you do foundation repair or basement waterproofing or crawl space repair. So if someone is searching for foundation repair and that's all throughout your content, the bots are going to identify Google that that's what you do, start pushing you closer up to the top. Now, it's not as simple as just adding the words in there. It's got to be strategic. You got to know X amount of keywords per X amount of content. But again, that's something I could help you out with if you wanted to speak further on that. Also, throughout the content, you want to make sure that you're adding buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword is foundation repair, Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville, Tennessee, basement waterproofing. It's the city and the service that you do. That is what a keyword is, as simple as that. You want to make sure that you're saving your photos and your videos as buyer intent keywords as well, because that's an opportunity to slide an extra keyword into your content. Now, you've got this one saved as download, so that one could be foundation repair Nashville or whatever city you want it to be, and then you get a ping for that as well. Now, what I would like to say is you got a really good idea up here with your click to call, your email for your company, and then your estimates here. Another click to call, another estimates. Sometimes people don't see this, so they can see this right here, or they see this right here. Having multiple ways to convert it to the top of your website is a great idea, and you hit that spot on. So what I'm going to do next is I actually put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR, this is your DR rating. Your UR is the strength that your website has in Google's eyes, and this is the trust that your website has. Now, these numbers are out of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. And the way you do that is with your backlinks. Now, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. So if there was say another repair service website that has been around for a while and they're strong with Google, if they put in affordable foundationfix.com and somebody could click that and come to your website, that's a backlink. Depending on their UR and DR, you will share that power. Now, you've got 333 referring domains, then you've got 2,100 organic keywords, which is fine because I see that you service a lot of different cities, so you're definitely going to have a lot of keywords. You want to make sure that you're capitalizing on the right keywords. When you're having content inside your website, You want to have content that's going to pull people to you. Concrete repair, Huntsville, Alabama. That is a 0 KD. The KDs is the keyword difficulty. That's out of 100 as well. And that's 60 a month. So 60 people are searching this exact phrase a month. Once you're in that top position, you'll get the lion's share of those searches. 0, you'll rank probably within a month if you got the right amount of backlinks that's going to that, okay? So I just wanted to go over some of your keywords real quick. You've got some decent keywords in here. Make sure that, again, you have the service and the location. Baking soda and crawl space gets 70 searches a month, but that's not making you any money. That's just kind of telling people how to deodorize their crawl space, keep it fresh, keep the mildewed mold smell out of there. Now, what I've actually done is typed in mold removal. I know that's one of your services that you do. And up at the top is normally the Google guaranteed ads, which is a really good way to get traffic quickly. Once you stop paying for those ads, they are gone. So that's the importance of ranking organically. If you rank organically, it'll be really hard to knock you out of this top spot. Here is the Google Maps. And this is where you want to be, is in these top 3. And you're not there right now for mode, and that is fine because there's several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet. Misleading Google is a no-no. If you have different names, addresses, things like that, Google won't know exactly where to filter out these results to. So make sure that you've got all that lined out. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to make sure you get filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Also, by posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically. And that's really getting in there, detailing your pictures, and breaking it down to exactly where they're taken and things like that. Also, by adding citations. Now, a citation is simply your business name, address, and your phone number, also known as a NAP, name, address, phone number. Put those in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp. Because at the end of the day, Google's just a big popularity contest, and you want to be the one that's most popular. How do you do that? By putting your name in as many directories as possible. Because what happens is Google's going to start to trust you more, and then it'll boost your business. And not only in your area, but it'll also boost your business in your surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this top 3 on this Google Map Pack right here is going to give you about 30 to 40% of your search results. That's going to come straight to your website, and you can turn those into customers from there. Now, down here is the organics. This is the cream of the crop down here. This is where you really want to be on the first page, and number 1 at that. So what I've done is Angie is not a business. It's an ad, so we don't really count that. This is your number 1 competitor right here. And as you see, they've got their way to convert up top, and the form submit, and then their call right here. You had more ways to convert up top than them. But unfortunately, that's not the only thing that'll put you on top organics. As you can see, they got a fairly decent amount of content. They've definitely fell short from the 1,500 words of command content. So by implementing having more content than them, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. Now, what I've done is actually pulled up some keywords for you. Now, this is insane. Look at all this search volume for mode, and look at the difficulty. You can add these keywords right here inside of your content, and look at this, what you're going to start pulling. Mold removal is a 1 KD that gets 250 searches a month. You get ranked for that within a month or 2 and pull a big share of that right there. Nashville mold removal, 250. So 500, 750, 1,000 just in these 5 keywords right here. And what you can do is put power to those keywords and start driving yourself up that organic list. Jay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks. If there's anything I could help you with, please feel free to reach out. If you got questions, comments, or concerns, I could be that resource for you if need be. Again, my name is Leah Orona from Orona Marketing. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.